Hi, I'm Rodney Orpheus from iConnectivity, and we're going to show you two new products that we have at the show. And the first one's a little bit different, but people are getting really excited about it already. This one's called spinXLR. It's a very simple product, and it does one thing very well. You plug a turntable into this end. It's an RAAA preamp. Plug a turntable in here using the phono outputs of your turntable, and you plug the other end into your mixing desk or your audio interface. And that's the entire box. What's cool about it is how it's powered. It uses phantom power through the XLR cables. It actually uses both channels of phantom power, so it's 2 times 48 volt, and it powers the preamp directly from that 96 volts. It sounds fantastic. Really, really amazing sound. A lot of turntables these days have a line output. You don't want to use that. The preamp in there is consumer grade. It's the diplomatic way we say it in the trade. Or a lot of turntables also have a USB out. You definitely don't want to use that because most of the AD converters are 16-bit converters. So if you've got a really great 24-bit audio interface, you do not want to be using your 16-bit converters built into a turntable. So you just buy this thing, plug your turntable in, and it sounds absolutely bloody brilliant, actually. So if you like vinyl, if you're making vinyl and want to listen back to test pressings in the studio, it's a complete no-brainer. But if you just like listening to vinyl and you've got a good set of monitors, it's perfect. It's also not expensive. It's going to be about 60 bucks. $59 US is the price. So it's an absolute no-brainer price, and it's available right now. It's shipping at the show. So we have these in our warehouses right now. They'll be in stores within about 2 to 3 weeks if all goes well. So you can run out and order it at your local store. So that's the first product, spinXLR. And the second product is a new audio interface. So we do a lot of audio interfaces and MIDI interfaces, as you can see, and we've been doing really well with the iConnect Audio 4 Plus and Audio 2 Plus, and this is their little brother. Well, it's actually the same size and shape. It's the same audio quality and the same build quality as our high-end interfaces, but this one is it's a very simple but very kick-ass interface. It's 2 audio ins, which are mic, line, or instrument switchable. Then on the back, we have USB bus power, MIDI in and out on board, no need for a dongle. We've got 2 outputs here, and then we got another 2 outputs in the phones. So it's 1 and 2 there, and then 3 and 4 here. So the phone's output can either match 1 and 2, or it can be at separate out. So if you're DJing and you need headphones to monitor differently than your main outs, it's perfect. What's cool about this one is that it doesn't need any software at all, no configuration software. You just plug it in, it's class compliant, doesn't need any drivers. If you want to configure it, it's done by this panel. Now this isn't just an LED panel, it's a touch screen. So all the controls are on the touch screen. If I want to say, put phantom power on channel 1, I just press 48 volt and press 1. That's it. If I want to turn up my headphones, I just press phones, and then all becomes a headphone control. If I want to change the gain on channel 1, I just press 1, in 1, and it becomes the gain on in 1. Really, really simple, incredibly intuitive. You can learn how to use it in like 2 minutes. And yeah, it sounds amazing. You can drive a truck over it. We drove a truck over it, and it ended up with a little scrape at the top, and one of the little tiny feet broke. That's after driving a truck over it 6 times. So it's pretty solid. You can use it as a weapon if you're having as well. And that's going to be 149 bucks. So it's a really good price for a really professional and very simple audio interface. It's a killer product. If you're looking for a new interface or first interface, you can't really beat it. And again, shipping right now. It's in the warehouse, just order it. It'll be in the stores in February for sure. And that's what we got at iConnectivity. So I hope you guys like it, and yeah, go check it out.